Steam is the heartbeat of countless industries, from pharmaceuticals and textiles to beverages. But generating steam can be expensive, complex, and hard to manage. What if there was a way to get steam without worrying about operations, fuel handling, or maintenance? Welcome to a new era of industrial steam generation. In this video, we'll introduce you to Steamax's Steam as a Service SaaS model, a revolutionary approach to steam generation that removes capital barriers and simplifies your operations, all while promoting clean, sustainable energy. The Steam as a Service SaaS model redefines industrial heating. Rather than investing in biomass retrofitting, managing fuel procurement, or handling boiler operations and maintenance, you simply pay a fixed rate for every unit of steam delivered. It's predictable, hassle-free, and performance-driven, enabling you to focus on your core operations while we ensure reliable, clean, and cost-effective steam. Why industries are choosing SaaS? No capital investment, free up resources, there's zero CapEx involved. Lower steam costs. One of the most fuel-efficient biomass systems means long-term savings. Simplified biomass fuel supply chain. Steamax handles fuel sourcing, quality assurance, and delivery, so you can focus on production, not procurement. Expert operations and maintenance. Our team of technocrats manages your boiler's performance from end to end. Financial flexibility. Adapt your costs to actual steam usage, ideal for varying operational loads. Sustainable and carbon neutral. By using biomass instead of fossil fuels, you reduce your environmental footprint and support a cleaner planet. As the world shifts toward renewable energy, biomass stands out as a sustainable, cost-effective alternative. It's not just good for the environment, it's good for your bottom line. And with Steamax's SaaS model, transitioning to biomass is easier and more efficient than ever. Ready to make the switch to smarter, cleaner steam? Contact Steamax today.